Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through my full day of eating, what I eat for breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. But that's not all. I'll also show you some fun activities I do after my meals and how I sometimes make my own food. So stay with me till the end and let's have a fun and delicious day together. Let's get started. Morning time. Emma wakes up early in the morning. The sun is shining and birds are singing. She feels fresh and happy. She stretches her arms and takes a deep breath. The smell of food comes from the kitchen. She quickly washes her face and brushes her teeth before going to the kitchen. Her mother, Mrs. Brown, is already there. She is making breakfast and the kitchen smells wonderful. Emma: Good morning, Mom. What are we having for breakfast? Mrs. Brown: Good morning, Emma. Today we are having toast, scrambled eggs and a glass of milk. Emma: That sounds delicious. Can I help you with something? Mrs. Brown: Yes, dear, you can set the table. Emma happily places the plates and spoons on the table. She sits down and takes a bite of her toast with butter and jam. She loves the sweet taste. The eggs are soft and tasty. She drinks the milk slowly. It is warm and fresh. Emma: This is a good breakfast. It gives me energy. Mrs. Brown: Yes, breakfast is very important. It keeps you strong for the day. After breakfast, Emma washes her hands and gets ready for school. She packs her lunch and leaves. Fun activity. After breakfast, before leaving for school, Emma plays with her little brother, Jack. They run around the garden and play a quick game of tag. Jack laughs as he runs away. Emma: Jack, I will catch you. Jack: No, you won't. I am too fast. They laugh and have fun before Emma leaves for school with a big smile. Lunchtime. At school, Emma sits with her friends in the cafeteria. She opens her lunchbox and sees her favorite sandwich. Sophia: Emma, what do you have for lunch today? Emma: I have a cheese and vegetable sandwich, an apple and some juice. Sophia: That looks yummy. I have rice and vegetables. Emma: That is healthy. Let's enjoy our lunch together. Emma eats her sandwich happily. The cheese is soft and the vegetables are fresh. She takes a bite of the apple. It is sweet and crunchy. She drinks the orange juice and it feels cold and refreshing. Emma: This is a good lunch. I feel happy and full. Sophia: Me too. Eating healthy food is good for us. After lunch, Emma talks with her friends and laughs before going back to class. She listens to the teacher and writes in her notebook. Snack time. After school, Emma comes home. She feels a little hungry. Her mother is in the kitchen preparing a snack. Emma: Mom, I am hungry. Can I have a snack? Mrs. Brown: Yes, dear. I made some fruit salad for you. Emma: Oh, I love fruit salad. Emma takes a bowl of fruit salad. It has bananas, apples, grapes and oranges. She eats slowly and enjoys the flavors. Emma: This is so tasty and fresh. Mrs. Brown: Fruits are good for your health. They have vitamins and make you strong. Making my own. Snack. Sometimes Emma likes to make her own snack. Today she makes a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Emma: Mom, can I make my snack today? Mrs. Brown: Of course. What do you want to make? Emma: I will make a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Emma takes 2 slices of bread. She spreads peanut butter on one slice. Then she cuts a banana into small pieces and puts them on top. She places the other slice of bread on top and presses it gently. Emma: My sandwich is ready. It looks so good. Mrs. Brown: That looks delicious. You did a great job. Do you want some honey on it? Emma: Yes, that will make it even better. Emma adds a little honey and takes a bite. It is sweet and creamy. She enjoys her homemade snack happily. Fun activity after snack. After her snack, Emma goes outside to ride her bicycle. She rides around the park and plays with her friends. Emma: This is so much fun. I love riding my bike. Friend: Me too. Let's race. They race each other and laugh. After some time, Emma and her friends sit on a bench and talk about their favorite activities. Dinner time. At night, Emma sits with her family for dinner. The table looks beautiful. There is warm food on the plates. Mr. Brown: Emma, are you ready for dinner? Emma: Yes, Dad. I am very hungry. Mrs. Brown: Tonight we have rice, chicken curry and salad. Emma: That is my favourite. Thank you, Mum. Emma takes a spoonful of rice and chicken curry. It is warm and spicy. She eats slowly and enjoys every bite. The salad is fresh and crunchy. She loves the mix of flavours. Emma: This is the best dinner. I love it. Mr. Brown: I am happy you like it, Emma. Mrs. Brown: Eating a good dinner helps you sleep well, helping in the kitchen. Sometimes Emma helps her mum cook dinner. She loves to mix ingredients and learn new recipes. Emma: Mum, can I help you cook? Mrs. Brown: Yes, you can help me mix the salad. Emma washes the vegetables and cuts them into small pieces. She mixes them in a bowl and adds a little salt and lemon juice. Emma: Our salad is ready. Mrs. Brown: Great job, Emma. Do you want to learn how to make a simple soup tomorrow? Emma: Yes, I love learning new things in the kitchen. After dinner, Emma helps clean the table. Then she drinks a glass of warm milk before bed. Bedtime. Emma: Mom, today I ate healthy food all day. I feel strong and happy. Mrs. Brown: Yes, Emma. Good food gives you good health. Emma smiles. She goes to bed feeling happy and full. She knows that eating the right food makes her strong every day. As she lies in bed, she thinks about all the fun things she did. She looks forward to another day filled with delicious food and happy moments. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching my What I Eat in a Day story. Let me know in the comments what your favourite meal of the day is. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and interesting stories. See you in the next video.